How's it going, everybody? Welcome to JB's Tech on Deck Reviews. Now today I've got an unboxing for you. We're going to do the ArmadilloTek Galaxy Note 9 case. It's a rugged protection case. So unlike your out-of-box rugged cases that you find in retail stores that are about $50 or more for the Note 9, we've got the this ArmadilloTek here I saw on Amazon, and it's going for about $18 and change at the moment. So let's go and break into this here. Yeah, jeez. Okay. This is a front and a back. All right, we got some paper here. We got some paper here. Yep. I've seen those types of cards before. So what do we got? We got the. We got some plastic on this front here. This front piece is going to be a screen protector already built in, so we're going to see how that works out. I got some little foam in here, I can get rid of that. So I went with this case because it didn't look like it was super bulky. I do like the design, and I do like that it has a kickstand, which is good for the Note 9 when you're going to be consuming a lot of media. You're going to want something to prop this up on, and it's nice that it's on there. So let me give you a rundown of how it feels. It's hard plastic. The side's a little softer plastic. You got your buttons here. There's no cutouts for them. They are on here. Outer lining here, it's got some grip on it, which I do like. You don't want this slipping out of your hand. Now, is it sturdy? Yeah, it feels sturdy enough, but I want to see how it feels when I have the phone in it. So I think I put this part on first. So let's take this plastic off. Well, actually, let me make sure my phone is clean first of all. You don't want a dirty phone going in there. Okay, clean off the front and the back. As you know, with these glass back and front phones, you do need some good protection on it. The second that hits the ground, that's not good. You got yourself a shattered phone. All right, so this is gonna go in simple as that. I believe there's plastic in the front too. So I'm gonna put this in here, bottom first. And isn't that? Well, shoot. Let me see if I can get this in right. Yeah, there you go. Get in there. All right. I can't guarantee I put that on right. Hey, I'm going on the fly right now. This is brand new to me. All right. Now let's get the plastic off. Front here. Aha. Not bad. Okay. All right. First things first. You're gonna see a little. I don't know if it's gonna settle down or not, but you can see a little bit of that rainbow effect on the screen there. But when you turn it on, nah, you can't see it. So you can't see much of it. But I do like that there's already a screen protector on here. So it's responsive. Let me see if the S Pen works on it. I think this is the first time I took the S Pen out. All right, let's go back. And yep, seems to work just fine. Okay, not bad, not bad. All right, comes out of there easy also. You got your mic hole here. You got a mic hole here. You got your speaker here. So everything's cut out perfectly and aligned just right. You have little covers here, dust protection, so it doesn't get in your ports. You don't really have to worry about water getting in there. You don't have to worry about water getting in there because it's already water resistant. phone. If you can see on the sides here, I want you to see, can you see it? All right, you can see the little, maybe you can see the little grooves here. That's awesome. It does feel sturdy in here. It doesn't feel chintzy. It doesn't feel like anything's out of place. It does feel rather hefty though, but not really much heavier than the phone itself. The phone's not really that light though. It is a big phone, so you're expecting a big case on here, but it's not outer box big. I kind of like it. All right, let's see if the buttons are working. Okay, my Bigsby. I turn my Bigsby off, so yeah, that's fine. My volume. That's actually nice. I like the feel of that and the power. And you can hear the clickiness, and it is very responsive. I like that a lot. All right, so I'm gonna try this out for a little bit and then come back to you with some more impressions. And actually, let me just check out this here. All right, does it lock? Yes, it does. Okay, so it locks there. Beautiful, beautiful. Does it go this way? And it goes that way. It goes horizontal or vertical. Not bad. Okay. Do I think that could be tougher? It's all right. I like how it's flush with the design on the back. If you didn't get a look at the back, that's the design there. You got some lip for the camera, of course. You got some lip in the front. So you see it there. So you can put it down. It's not going to touch the front. And it's not going to scratch because you have the screen protector on here. Now it's a little dirty right now. It's not actually repellent of my fingerprints. So I'm going to test it out, see if it's pocket friendly, and then I'll get back to you with my final impressions on the ArmadilloTek rugged case for the Note 9. And I'm back with more feedback for the review. So, pocket friendly, yes it is. It may be a larger case, but it's not much larger than the Note 9 itself. It was rather an unexpected surprise that it's as thin as it is, because I'm used to outer boxes and I'm used to them putting a huge amount of bulk on the phone. This does not do that. It feels more like a regular TPU case, but sturdy. And I've had cases similar to this for my other phones, but they didn't have a front screen on it already. So that's my only complaint about this actual case here. I do like the fact that the screen is already built into the front here, but I don't like the fact that it leaves that rainbow effect on the glass here because it's touching the glass. So the plastic on the glass is forming that. It doesn't seem like it's gonna go away either. Like the second I touch it, it goes somewhere else on the screen, and it's not a very fingerprint, not very fingerprint friendly. It grasps everything, and it's going to get damaged on here. But if you need a rugged case that you're gonna be working with it, throwing it, dropping it, and you're very prone to dropping or scratching it, this is definitely going to protect it. Your phone will be 100% perfect underneath this. The screen protector has the rainbow effect going on, and you know why it has it? Because there is room between the space in between the screen and the screen protector. So it's not much of a problem at first, but when you start typing things, it's a real problem because of the spacing between it, and it makes typing feel weird, and you're not really connected with your screen anymore. I mean, the stylus works on it, like I showed earlier, but that's a no-no. That has to stop. So I would suggest, yes, I'm going to keep the case, but I'm going to pop the screen protector out of it, and I'm going to put my white stone dome screen protector, my tempered glass one, on here, and that's going to be 100% perfect with this case, and that's going to be awesome for the phone. And I'm definitely going to keep this on because I don't think I'm going to find a better fitting case with grips on the side like this, but the screen protector's got to go. If there's going to be a revision, I'd say to give us a tempered glass screen protector separate to put on the phone itself, and then put the case on it. It's going to be a lot better, and there's going to be no space between the screen and the protector here. So that's my only gripe. I do still recommend getting this case because I haven't felt one that feels this good on it. With a kickstand, it's really nice, man. I'm definitely gonna stick with this case, but put my screen protector on it and it'll be perfect. I'm very, very happy about how this purchase turned out, because it seems like it's a newer company. I've never heard of them, but if they come out with products like this, they got some good things coming their way from this industry. Because like I said, I bought a case like this for my Pixel 2, and it was trash. Like it didn't fit. Like the one that I had, this part here was just loose, and it was awful feeling. And I just dealt with it because, that's the luck of the draw. But with this one, this worked out just fine. I do like the feel of this, and I don't feel like I'm gonna drop it, and it doesn't make the phone feel super large. And that was my main thing when I bought this. I wasn't sure if it was gonna make my phone feel extra large. I'm actually gonna keep it on there. I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it on there, because if it was actually gonna make it extra large, then that was gonna be a big no for me. But with this, I really like how much of a tank this makes this feel like. I feel like I can drop this. Definite protection on this phone. Yeah, you got yourself a winner here. ArmadilloTek Rugged Case Note 9. Definite keeper. So I recommend it. And I do love this thing right here. So love the kickstand. That's a necessity. It's a must for a phone this big to have a kickstand, because you're going to be watching it. You're going to be watching your YouTube. You're going to be watching your movies. Perfect when you're on break at work. Pop it up there. Boom. If you got to do conference calls, you can do that. If you're just talking, video chatting, you just want to leave it down there and have it on you. Perfect. You use your S Pen, take some pictures, pop it down there, take your picture with the S Pen remote. Perfect. This is the best case for it. One of the better ones on Amazon for it. So definitely check it out. If you're contemplating getting a bigger case, don't worry about that. This one is for the biggest protection you got. Because I've seen other reviews. I'm not dropping this. I just got my Note 9. I'm definitely not throwing this around the room. But I have seen people online with this case chuck it around the room, and more power to them. I will not be throwing this. This is expensive. But they threw it around the room, and it was phenomenal. There was no damage done. So check that out. I'll probably leave that video in the description, because like I said, I'm not throwing mine. But definitely recommend this case. Go cop it. You'll definitely be happy that you did if you're looking for protection for your Note 9. And with something like that big of an investment, you're going to want some protection on it. So this is one to get. Until next time, this is Tech on Deck Reviews. I am JB, and I'm out. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see reviews on any and all things tech. Later days.